do a personal update. I'm okay, thanks, goodbye. No, only joking. Just going to do a personal update, tell you about Christmas and everything that's happened. Basically over the Christmas I had no intentions of taking any video, hence that's why I posted the last video and it was a bit of a mishmash. But I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, we've got the usual ones that put the thumbs down within the first couple of seconds, which is quite crazy, but there you go. Anyway, had a great Christmas. I hope all my subscribers did. Can I wish you all a happy new year? I know it's a bit late, but I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. Again, I can't thank you enough for your support. I can't thank you enough for everybody that's subscribed. You've been really fantastic. I just want to tell you about my website. My website got took down. Basically, I was a naughty boy and I had some copyrighted stuff on there which I didn't realise, but I broke the rules and GoDaddy took my site down. That's fair enough, but it took a lot of convincing to put it back up, and they put it back up and took everything off that I had on. So the site's bare and I have to go through it all again, gathering the information and putting it back together. So you know, that's going to take a bit of time. It's offline at the moment because I'm having some stuff doing to it. It'll probably have a slightly different look than before, but I'm hoping the information that goes on will be really informative and you enjoy the site. So once it's up and running, please support me. Please keep going to the site, keep looking for more information that's going on, because I'm hoping it's going to be good, but without your support, obviously it's not. The other thing is, if there's any people out there that like writing and would like to write some blogs and support my website that way, obviously you'll get a pat on the back for it, not me. I'd appreciate that. I'll look at that. The other thing is, I didn't do last month's budget because it was Christmas. I was starting not to feel very well at the time, but just as a quick rundown, I was $110 under budget, so I did really extremely well for that month. Probably not going to do so well this month, but we'll see when the 23rd comes. You may have noticed I did a video of giving some kids at Christmas. It sort of really moved me, that, because I honestly really do love kids and I do want to help the kids here, although I didn't come with any specific you know, agenda in mind with that, other than to try and help within my financial means as much as I can. So what I'm hoping to do in the next few weeks is approach the local barangay, because that's the advice I've been given, and try to coordinate some kind of help through them. So hopefully in the next few weeks I might be able to do some videos that'll show you the not so nice side of the Philippines. Bearing in mind it's not just a problem of Naga, it's all over the Philippines, homeless kids, etc. As you know, I'm not trying to be patronising. So that's another thing I've got that I want to do. I'm not sure what kind of videos I'm going to be doing, because I'm pretty much at a blank at the moment with the video bit, but hopefully, you know, I'll get some suggestions. I'll be able to do some videos. Last but not least, there's a guy, there's one of my subscribers, and his name's Randy, and he has a site called Sit Down Perspective. Now, he sent me a few messages, and he's a really nice guy, and normally I don't look at people's channels. I just reply to their message, and then that's about it. But for some reason I had a look at Randy's channel and I was just blown away by it. Now, I hope he don't mind me mentioning him, but this guy's a paraplegic and he puts all of us to shame. He really does. He has my utter respect and admiration, you know. He's just a very he's got a very positive personality. Nothing seems to faze the guy. Now, he's married to a Filipino, and he's put up quite a few videos, and I urge everybody to go and have a look at his site and to support the guy, because I really think he deserves it more than most. And he really comes across as a nice guy. I've not known him long, but he's calling me friend, and I'm proud to be his friend. So go and have a look at the guy. The other thing is, I'd like to point you in the direction of this dating site. It's called pinayfriendly.com. I'll put it on as a bubble on the video. But go and have a look at this dating site if you're single. It's well worth having a look at. It's totally free. Go on there and have a look, as opposed to other websites that want to charge you an arm and a leg. I'm not getting any money off this, by the way, you know, totally free. I think that's about it. So thanks again for all your support. I look forward to hearing all your comments in the future. I hope 2016 is going to be a fantastic year for everybody, including myself. So for now, thanks a lot. Please keep subscribing, please keep supporting. See you all later. Bye.